Hey guys, welcome back. First off, I'll apologize about the lack of content, especially during the summer months. I don't know what it is, I just find less time to film, take the time, maybe because I'm usually sweating profusely, and it's not very attractive, so. But, let's get this quick one out of the way. The industry as a whole takes a beating, usually from a few bad apples. Whether it be guys, work ethics, billing practices, whatever. Sometimes we run across a winner, like I got here on the lift. And I'll share a couple points with you. Please keep in mind, I don't like to be negative. I don't like to bash anybody. Those that know me know I'm very optimistic and positive and keep a good message. But this one just really, I'll share it with you. All right, can I zoom back? Yes, if you remember a few months ago, I did a video about sectioning in a flex pipe on this Chevy Equinox. Chevy Equinox? Yeah, that's what it is. Happens to belong to a very good friend of mine. And the pipe was expensive, and I sectioned it in, it worked well. And I'll go back on the, let me grab a light. If you remember, we sectioned in that flex pipe because the hanger that's on the other side here was never put back on. Let me back up in this a little bit. This car had been back to, and I'll say a dealer, I won't say which one. Went back to the dealer for he had an extended warranty on the transfer case, which was bad. So they did it on the warranty. Came back a couple months later, flex pipe started leaking because undoubtedly, I'm not just guessing at this, the hanger was left off, the whole exhaust was bouncing and broke the flex pipe. He came back for a noise. Some kind of, like an engine mount noise. I don't know how he described it, but that's how I'm going to describe it. So I go checking, and if I can get this in here, whoop, that motor mount bolt that goes through the front motor mount was missing. Didn't break. It just disappeared. I'm guessing whenever they did the work they did, they left the bolt loose and it took time and it finally walked its way out and fell out. I ordered a new bolt right from the dealer, which took 10 days to get. Don't ask me why. Put it in and it was fine again. Okay. Comes back a couple days later, today, a couple days, a week later, slide under here. I know my camera work is not the best today, and I apologize. Rear mount over the transaxle, a transfer case. 3 bolts. Hold that sucker down. 1 was broke, 2 was loose. I don't know what to do about the broken bolt. The other part of it is, if I can get this in, is in there. Be a little tricky, drill it out, maybe put a really long nut and bolt. The other 2 tightened up okay, so we're going to leave that for now, so I figure out what to do. But they were loose and this whole motor was shifting up and down. Fixed it, still had a noise. Although noise was better, had a noise on this side. Let's shift over to this side. Yeah, no, I'm going all over the place, right? Sounding like something with the axle. If I can, the axle right here, it slides into the intermediate shaft, was never clicked in. It was actually floating. I could take this whole part of the shaft and slide it in and out. I took it and I shoved it, and all of a sudden it went click and locked in. So he's been driving around with that thing sliding in and out. And now, literally just filming it, I just happened to look up. And this thing is not in place. They put that one on? Nope, that was not in either. Look at this. That's loose. This is loose. Really? Look, I'm starting to sweat. Oh man, look, I'm a mess. It's things like this that paint a bad picture for the industry. How many things can you leave loose or break on one vehicle with one job? If you know somebody that's doing this, smack them, straighten them up, or let them know, listen, you shouldn't be working on vehicles. Yeah, there are people out there that shouldn't be fixing cars. I'm not ashamed to say it. I had an employee one time that I told him straight up, I think you need to pick a different profession. I wasn't trying to insult him. This just wasn't, he just was not good at this. He just couldn't comprehend fixing stuff. You know, nut and bolt stuff. And he did. He got out of the industry and got into something else, and he's successful now. So, I guess this is a bit of a rant. Like I said, I don't like to be negative. Now I have to fix a few more things here, I see. And I might as well, while I'm under here, just really start going through this, which I shouldn't have to do. And not to mention the owner's, like, you know, he's losing his patience. And I don't blame him. So that's it, guys. I don't even know what the message is here. I don't know what the fix for this is. I don't know. Just pay attention. You know, if you work for a place that's rushing you, causing you to do this because you're being rushed, either have a talk with management and let them know what the problems are, or find a different place to work. Because this is like this is the problem. This is a big part of the problem with the industry. I personally don't know how to fix it. I can't do it. But that's it, guys. Hope everybody's doing well. We'll talk to you soon. I appreciate all the continued support and all the love. Click subscribe, hit the button, bell, whatever you got to do. Say hello. Tell me what you think. Let me know if you run into stuff like this. How do you handle it? And we'll talk soon. Thank you. Bye.